Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Here's my macros for the day. I figure I'd post them now before you see what I ate. Bye. So I didn't start the video with me getting my stuff ready for today because I don't remember if I had to do anything. I don't remember. But anyway, I didn't start this video with me prepping. We're just starting with hello. It's Thursday morning, which is my Friday morning because I took tomorrow off. I have to go have lab work, my annual lab work tomorrow at my doctor's, so I'll be doing that at 8:30. Then I got to go visit my mama. She's got something with her phone, so I'm going to go help her with that. And then I got to pick up some tax stuff and then go to Walmart and get my groceries because Saturday, well, I take my dog to the vet Saturday, and then we're going to make that jambalaya. The dog vet is just his annual. So, I've got 4 dogs, so it's the last one's annual. So that's what I'm doing Saturday. There's nothing wrong with them. Anyway, so breakfast. I have my egg muffin and my protein coffee. And today, it is a mixed berry yogurt. Okay, bye. Hey there. So for lunch, I've got the loaded Rutabaga mash. I know I didn't make it up last night, but. And then the 2 pieces of pizza that I'm going to release the same video as I upload this video. Instead of using chicken, eggs, and cheese, I just used chicken and eggs this time, just to see about lowering the calories. So, see if I can do it this way. There's my pizza. Bye. When I come home, I come into my bedroom and I change in my pajamas. And then I turn around and this is what I see. He's chewing, she's chewing, and he's licking at the bed. The other one, where you at, buddy? He's pacing. He's going back and forth hoping that I realize that he's starved to death since I left. And so he's just hoping. Let's see if we can see him. Nope. Where you at, Baxter? Up there. The old little boy, he thinks he's on his deathbed because I haven't fed him yet, and I've been home for like 3 minutes. So anyway, that's what I come home to. Usually he comes in this room, and that's what he does right there. He comes in and looks at me. It's like, are you going to feed me, Mama? Just wait a minute. You just wait a minute. Just hold your horses. He's like, dang it, that's not what I want to hear. So, and then he wanders off around the corner. But not right now, not yet. Oh, there he goes. And he wanders off. He's going back to make sure that I understand he's trying to lead me back to the food. Okay, bye. All right, I'm going to show you how the whole meal process goes for the dog. I'm going, buddy. There. Boy, I don't think you said it loud enough. So, one of them, my chubby boy, he gets a little extra down in this little thing. I'll show you in a minute. The other one, this is all, these 3 get one food. My allergy boy gets another food, along with 1 allergy pill. And right now, the microwave is going because I'm heating up the broth. What is today? It's today Thursday. My pen quit working. There we go. So I usually, he gets 2 whole tablets twice a day for 14 days, and then he goes to half a tablet twice a day. So I write out Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then I scratch it out as I do it. So, all right. So wait a minute. That's the supper Thursday. All right, but my pen quit. All right, now hang on. I got to get the broth, and we're going to put that on there. Just a minute. So now here's the broth. I heated it up. Let me see. Let's see if he's going to do it. I'll keep it that way so you can see. Oh, he ain't going to do it over there. Get off, buddy. Okay. Sorry, I had an issue. So now let's deliver the food. Those two eat there. And then, sorry, Baxter, you're just going to have to wait a minute till I get the other one. She eats on this side of the chair that you can't see. And then so this gets put into this little spiral thing. Spiral. And I pour food in and he has to work to get it out. Otherwise, he gets done first and then goes and bugs everybody else. So that is their meal routine. And then, while they're eating, I migrate this way. Kind of have a mess, but you know, it is what it is. I just got home from work and I just threw everything down because I had to go to the bathroom really, really bad. So, I usually come home and I take my coffee mug out and throw my dishes down in the sink. I washed dishes last night while I was asleep. Well, my dishwasher did. So I want to clean the dishes for tomorrow for any meal prep and stuff for the weekend. So anyway, so I can't put my dishes in the dishwasher right now. I brought home my work laptop too. So I'll have to find a place over on my table for it. So now, after everybody's done eating, you get a treat. You get a treat. I don't know why, but for some reason, Sammy gets 2 treats. Go on. And then, come here. Turn around, buddy. Turn around this way. And then Baby Shark gets a half of a treat. Easy. Okay. So, now I can work on me and getting me some food. So, what you doing there, bub? Callie, you're entering bad territory. Okay. So now they're done. They all had a treat. And now it's time for me to get me some supper. So let's see what I got going. Also, let me show you what I got with the money that you all gave me. I know you didn't really give me the money, but I feel like you guys are the reason. Oh shoot, I need to turn off I have a camera system outside and it alerts when there's movement. Like I set it when I leave and when we go to bed. And it's now, if I have it on when I'm home, every time they go out to go potty, it alerts me. Anyway, so you guys have been such a big part of this, and you guys are the reason why I got some money from YouTube. And that's so weird to say. But thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate you. But look what I got, you guys. They came in. I got size 8x8, and it is silicone. So I ordered these with your money. I don't know if that's what I call it. Your money, whatever I call it. I don't know the right thing to say. You know that I'm not proper and that I'm not fancy. So I'm just whatever. It's your money because you all help. You all follow me and watch my videos. So thank you. Anyway, so I bought these. They're 8x8. And I'm going to try these with my egg things, my egg casserole. So we're going to try this because I enjoyed it this week, the time I had it. And I like that there's more room in it. So I was able to put some vegetables in it. I could even put in some zucchini, squash, whatever vegetables I want to put in, especially in the summertime. Coworkers and people really have gardens and then they start bringing in veggies. So that's a great time for me to put in some vegetables into my stuff. But the muffin, because I want 3 eggs, the muffin tins are not quite big enough to house all the excess stuff. So, okay. I just had to show you. So, look, we got some silicones and hopefully it won't stick. And so, now, let me figure out what we're going to have for supper. Don't forget, I'm off work tomorrow too. Yay! Look at this big boy. I have a big old... Look, I got this out. I'm going to get it ready because, for this weekend for our jambalaya. It's like a real heavy, it's cast iron, but an enameled cast iron pot. So I got that bad boy out. So that'll be ready to use for this weekend. We have some pork. I think this was maybe the boneless ribs. Looks like maybe it was. So, and it's pink, I know that. I'm gonna add some sauce to it and get it microwaved up. So we are gonna use, I know I put some on it. So I'm gonna put, I'm gonna do half. So 1 tablespoon of the original G-Hughes. So that'll be 15 grams. I'm gonna try to do 15 grams. Okay. Then I'm also gonna do 15 grams of the honey mustard. And then we'll microwave it. And we're gonna make up a salad to go with it, I think. Wait, no, I think I have some. I know what I might do. Okay, so first I'm gonna put this in the microwave. And it's marked PK 8, so I know it's 8 ounces of pork. So let me microwave it. Okay, so here's what I'm having. Find the pork. Because y'all know I don't use plates. It's a wonder I even use actual, metal silverware. This is 200 grams of roasted rutabaga that I made a while back. Oh, hold on. The camel is filling his hump. There he goes. Luberdoo. Lulu. Did you get full, buddy? Are you full, Bob? Good job. Good job. Okay, back to... All right. Wild man filled up his camel hump. So, all right. So now I've got my pork. And then my rutabaga. Let's see. That's the rutabaga I love. So, every time you see me eat with that loaded mashed rutabaga, I'm like, it's so gross. But I keep eating it because I'm eating it. So, like I said, I don't know what I put in it. It could be from the... Could have been from the vinegar. Could have been from the sour cream. Who knows what it was. But this right here is the rutabaga that I like. Ow. Okay, not that bite. Anyway, so that's my supper. All right. Tomorrow, just so you know, I wrote it down. I see my doctor at 8:30 in the morning. I got to get my annual blood. Going to Mom's afterwards. She's got some phone stuff that she needs me to look at, so I'm going to do that. Then I got to run by a place where I have my 401k and get some tax stuff. And then I got to go to Walmart so we can make our jambalaya. Whoop, whoop. So that's my game plan for tomorrow. I brought my laptop home because when you're a supervisor and you take off work, your phone is going to blow up and your email is going to blow up. So it's better just to have it so you can be ready to check it if you need to. So anyway, all right, bye.